How to see your Amazon password if you forgot it. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to see your Amazon password if you forgot it. So in order to see your Amazon password if you've forgotten it, then what you can do is, if you have saved it to your Google Password Manager, then you can locate it very easily. All you have to do is just exit out of your Amazon application and then open up your Google. You can go to your settings and then tap the account button. And right on this page, go ahead and select your profile icon from the top right hand side corner. And while you're on this page, you have to select the particular account and go to manage your Google account. After you do that, it's going to take you to the Google interface, where you need to tap on the search bar located in the top and type in password manager. And when you locate password manager, here you'll be able to see the password of all of these. So in my case, I have saved the Amazon. You can see this is the one. Now enter in the PIN of your device, and it's going to direct you to the other field where you'll be able to see the password. By tapping the I button, you can access the information. If you've not saved your password to Google, then you'll not be able to access it. However, in order to recover or to see your password, you have to reset it by going to the reset button. For that, you have to open up your Amazon. And for the sign in field, you have to go ahead and tap on forgot password, and that's going to direct you to the page where it's going to ask you to provide in your contact details, and accordingly you'll be instructed on how you can recover your password. So that's basically how you can see your Amazon password if you forgot. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.